The resident manatee at the South Florida Museum is turning 61. This is Snooty, a West Indian manatee who loves the camera. Hundreds of families came out Saturday to celebrate his 61st birthday, which is actually Tuesday. Officials say Snooty has well outlived his wild brothers.
Well, the average manatee is lucky to make it into their 20s. And that's really because in the wild they can succumb to cold stress. They can't stand to be in water colder than 68 degrees for very long. Florida gets some severe cases of red tide, and as well as boat strikes and getting caught in fishing gear. Obviously, Snooty's not going to counter any of those four things, so it's sort of an unknown as to how long he'll be with us.
Despite Snooty's age, he continues to grow, as do all manatees. He has grown 3 inches in length in the past 3 years and has slimmed down a bit on his girth. For Snooty's birthday, he enjoyed cabbage, carrots, broccoli, and Saturday night will receive a sweet treat from the staff.